the remove tool. This is an awesome tool in Photoshop. There's some uses. Sometimes you probably won't want to use it. You'll choose something above this, but this is a brush. It's not a selection tool. You simply paint over the object or person that you want to remove, and Photoshop does the rest. So if I choose this tool, right, I come in here, size up your brush how you want, come and just paint over what you want to remove. Say I want to remove this cut, right? Just get it as best you can, and then when you let go, Photoshop is going to work. It's going to process this, and it's going to remove the cut. Now, it's not going to get it the best sometimes, but you can see it gets a pretty good removal. Right? If we zoom in, you can see some irregularities like the edge right here and all that. But if you want, you can try to paint over that again and see what Photoshop does. See if it makes a better removal. And there we go. That looks pretty nice, right? So we don't want the rest of this stream, this coffee or tea, whatever it is. And got it all right. Maybe we come back in here, turn this down, make a smaller brush stroke, draw that in, give Photoshop time to work. And there we go. We got the rest of that tea pouring down. We got that gone pretty much. Now we got a couple of options up here at the top. We got a place for presets, but you can't actually make a preset of this tool. You can make your brush bigger, smaller. You can change the size of it here, or you can hold Control and Alt at the same time while right clicking and dragging right or left. Okay. Then we got pen pressure for size. This is if you have a Wacom tablet. The lighter you press, the smaller the brush stroke. Then we got sample all layers. So you got an image where there's multiple layers that are in it, and you want to remove something, but the pixels are from both layers. You're going to want to turn this on. Remove after each stroke. Every time you let go, it's going to remove it. If you turn this off, you can paint, let go, keep painting, right? Let go, keep painting until you got what you want. And then you'd hit this check mark up here to apply it, and then it'll remove everything that you painted. So that's the remove tool in Photoshop, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.